We just picked up our order from Cakes and Bakes by Coco. Let's see what it is, Isa.
Oh, it is iloveza.
It's iloveza.com cookies.
Logo.
Cookies. Oh, wow. So if you want personalized cookies like this, these are individually packed, then contact Cakes and Bakes by Coco on Instagram. I'm Ziyaad and this is
Isa.
And we love
City.
Okay, so we got some branded cookies from Cakes and Bakes by Coco. And Isa, you're gonna try it.
Yes. So
Just leave some for me, okay?
no. There's other of them.
Yeah, but just leave some for me.
Don't.
Okay. And I'm waiting for a reaction. How's it? Nice. Let me try some. Give me a small piece.
Okay. I'll give you a small piece. And that piece. How does it taste?
Mmm. Delicious. I'm gonna taste it. Icing also. And why don't you take it out?
Huh?
Take it out.
Okay.
Breaking the logo. Isa Plaatjes. Okay, taste it. I'm just gonna go right ahead and eat it.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
The logo.
Delicious. So if you want branded cookies like these, go to Instagram and find Cakes and Bakes by Coco, and you'll have cookies that will have Isa eating all of them. I'm Ziyaad.
This is Isa.
Not with your mouth. And we love
So